What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for a 2020 roller coaster construction update, and we have an official name for it, Icebreaker. Yeah, so we're gonna go check out Icebreaker and anything else that's going on inside the park. Let's go. Well, we talked about it when we were at Busch Gardens Tampa, but if you're an annual pass holder, there are some great rewards going on right now, like $10 SeaWorld bucks and $10 Busch bucks. You can get them at the kiosk located right outside the front of the park. Alright, so here are the kiosks. Make sure to have your annual pass, like I do. Pass member options. Go over here, scan it, and then right here where it says rewards and tickets, click on that, and see how it says 10 SeaWorld bucks that is redeemable one time, and it's through September 30th. And then there's also Adventure Island single day. There's 50% off. There's food, there's more. But yeah, a lot of good stuff today, like I said. Gonna be getting my SeaWorld bucks. Right there. One of them. Next, finish and check out. Check out. Transaction complete, and voila. Pass member SeaWorld bucks, $10. No way to get through security or through the front entrance, and we are on our way. One of the last times I was here, all the banners were taken down in preparation for Hurricane Dorian. All this up here on the SeaWorld store, the banners up there, was all removed. But it's back, looks good. Remember last time how it was so bare over here? That was because the planters were missing. They're all back now though. Right over here by Manta, we can see advertisements for SeaWorld's Halloween Spooktacular, weekend September 21st through October 27th. It's awesome. If you've never been, you've got to come. They have a map over here with a legend showing the Sesame Street Halloween Parade. That's also new. And we have Trick or Treat Trail and different things like that. Check out some of the candies. Krispy Kreme donut, Smashmallow, Sixlets, Fruit to Go. Oh God, those fruit stripes, so good. Land of the Gummies. Something Settenbacher, looks like Firehouse Subs, Cowtails, Swedish Fish, Smarties, Airheads, and Chick-fil-A. Yeah. So yeah, lots of stuff to do for that. We're gonna cover it. And here's a look at some of the past events and ones coming up. Again, Craft Beer Festival going on right now, weekend September 7th through October 27th. And we have SeaWorld Halloween Spooktacular, September 21st through October 27th. Praise Wave, November 2nd through November 16th. And then SeaWorld Christmas Celebration, daily, November 23rd through December 31st. So yes, a lot of stuff to look forward to. Gotta love it. We have decorations going up right now. Trick or Treat Trail showing that way. I love the pumpkin fish. Dolphin Nursery, and the rubbery bloops are doing good today. This one's catching some sun. The other one's having some fun. Yeah, they're having fun today. Right over here on the waterfront, we have some stuff for sale for the Craft Beer Festival. We can see the sign right there. Bar also. Drink cups. 4 pint glasses for $9.99. Not a bad deal. And we have the little koozies and whatnots. But yes, just some of the things here for the Craft Beer Festival. This booth over here is for selling lanyards. So all those booths around the area for the Craft Beer Festival, well, that's where you can get your lanyards. And here's a look across the water at Icebreaker. Yeah, the new roller coaster by Premier Rides for SeaWorld Orlando. We've told you about it many times in other videos, but it was officially announced last week. And there we can see the Treat Trail crews are getting everything set up for Halloween Spooktacular. It's coming up. All of the flags here on the bridge are back. And here we can see lots of vehicles all over the site doing work today. So yeah, that's good news. Progress.
good. Hey, personal.
And here we can see the forms for the foundations. There's still plenty left to do.
We proudly welcome you and your families, and at this time would like to ask any past or present members of the United States, United Kingdom.
Woohoo! I'm seeing lots of new foundations.
SeaWorld's killer whales have been inspiring generations of whales and offer you an up-close view into their world. And what's really cool is that the behaviors you'll see here are extensions of behind an environment that is full of enrichment. A lot of these behaviors also highlight the whale's naturally playful nature, so let's get ready to have today is Milani. Some of Milani's favorite things are her birthday toys. So today we took her favorite toy.
Check it out, guys. Look at all those foundations. We're looking directly down the launch. Remember, quadruple launch, and we're going to have a beyond vertical spike right in front of us too. A lot more foundations since our last visit, and way down there we can see work starting for the top hat. If you remember, for a long time they were working on this foundation, and well, it's done. It's capped and everything, and the one just to the side of it has started work.
From her favorite toy. We're so happy to be able to share that with you today, especially on Milani's 13th birthday. And joining her to 7 cats here at SeaWorld, Milani is her 6th. We have learned so much from Katina and all the cats she's had here, and we're honored to share that with you.
With this many foundations, vertical construction cannot be far off. I'm thinking within the next 2 weeks, we'll see Icebreaker rise. And it looks like we're getting the ground ready over here for more foundations. Goodbye stage for Club Seaglow and Electric Ocean. Here are the work walls, and we can see those teasers on there just like the last couple weeks. Nothing new on there. Hashtag break the ice. New coaster takes flight 2020 and at SeaWorld Orlando. Let's give you some official stats, as the max speed on this thing is going to be 52 miles an hour. Max height is going to be 93 feet, and that's for the Beyond Vertical Spike, which will be at 100 degrees. There will be a top hat element at 80 feet. So that's going to be down over by Bayside Stadium. Track length 2,750 feet. There's going to be 2 trains with 3 cars per train, seating 18 people. Now we're over by the exit for Wild Arctic, and a couple more stats for you. Max height requirement for this, 48 inches. Yes, the little ones can ride this. There will be an over-the-shoulder harness or comfort collar on there. Sorry, enthusiasts, but it's going to be on there. But yes, we can see work walls now lining this pathway. It used to be kind of just barricaded off, but now a work wall completely covers it. Speaking of Wild Arctic, it was recently shown in the concept art for Icebreaker, so I guess for the time being, that means it's going to stay. And we can also see a couple things set up for Halloween Spooktacular, the cone over there. There'll be a candy station, and we have some decorations right here. So we were talking about the Craft Brew Festival. This is one of the booths. We can see booth number 5 over here. Some of the prices and beers that they have. Again, alcohol by volume, and IBU is also available on there. Well, we had a chance to check out the construction site from Shamu Stadium. Now it's time to check everything out from Sky Tower. And indeed, it is open today. Only a 10-minute wait.
Gentlemen, boys and girls, for the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. Please stay in your seats for the entire ride, and no smoking, please.
We gotta see it.
Nearly a mile of track. If you look for the icy rocks that tower above SeaWorld, you'll see our epic attraction, Antarctica, Empire of the Penguin, which transports you into the icy... To the east, also across above SeaWorld, you'll see our epic attraction, Antarctica, Empire of the Penguin, which transports you into the icy world of the penguin like never before. Experience the mysterious land through the penguin's eyes on a first...
Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for the 2020 roller coaster project known as Icebreaker. And there's a bunch of foundations all over the construction site. and I'm hoping that vertical construction will start sometime within the next week to week and a half. Of course, we have Halloween Spooktacular also starting very soon, as decorations are going up around the park. We have Manta doing its signature flyby right now. Looking good. Of course, we are going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.